Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Focus timing belt step by step. First, let's prepare. You'll need specific tools, including a camshaft locking tool like the 303376 and a crankshaft locking pin. Always ensure your engine is cool and the battery is disconnected for safety. Next, carefully remove components like the accessory belt, coolant reservoir, and the upper and lower timing belt covers to gain access. Now let's get to the old belt. Support your engine, then remove the engine mount and the water pump pulley. This gives you clear access. Crucially, align the crankshaft and camshaft timing marks to top dead center for cylinder 1. Once aligned, install your specialized locking tools to hold everything in place. Then, loosen the timing belt tensioner and carefully remove the old timing belt, along with the tensioner and idler pulleys. With the old belt off, it's time for the new one. First, install the new idler and tensioner pulleys, torquing them to approximately 23 Newton meters. Next, carefully fit the new timing belt, starting from the crankshaft pulley and moving counterclockwise, ensuring all your timing marks stay perfectly aligned. Finally, adjust the new tensioner using a 6mm Allen key until its indicator marks align, then tighten its bolt to 25 Newton meters. You're almost done. Reinstall the crankshaft pulley, torquing it to 115 Newton meters, and tighten the camshaft bolts to 68 Newton meters. Reattach the engine mount and all covers. Before starting, manually rotate the engine 2 full revolutions clockwise, then reinsert your locking tools to confirm the timing is perfect. Finally, refill your cooling system, start the engine, and listen for smooth operation, ensuring no unusual noises are present.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.